Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a bookmark in Canva. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type bookmark to explore a wide array of pre-designed templates. You can select a template that resonates with your personal aesthetic or opt for a blank canvas to unleash your creativity from scratch. Remember, a common bookmark size is approximately 2 inches wide by 6 inches tall, providing a good starting point for your design. Now, let's personalize your bookmark. You can easily change the background color to match your preferences or upload a unique image from your device. Experiment with adjusting the transparency of various elements to create depth and visual interest. Canva offers an extensive library of graphics, including shapes, icons, and illustrations, allowing you to find the perfect additions to your design. Don't be afraid to play around with different combinations. Next, it's time to add your text. Insert a text box and type in your favorite quote, a book title, or even your name. Canva provides hundreds of fonts, so take your time to choose one that complements your design and is easy to read. You can then adjust the text size, color, and alignment to ensure it looks perfect. Consider using a contrasting color for your text to make it stand out against the background. Finally, let's prepare your bookmark for printing. Take a moment to review your entire design, making any last-minute adjustments to ensure everything is just right. Once you are satisfied, download your bookmark in a high-resolution PDF print format for the best quality. For durability, I recommend printing your finished bookmark on sturdy cardstock. This will give it a professional feel and ensure it lasts through many reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.